Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share this morning. I have a couple of cards that I made. I just kind of wanted to use a stamp set that's been in my stash for a while, never used, purchased it used, but it was in great condition, but I never used it, so I thought I'd use it in making some kind of spring-like pretty cards in anticipation of some sunnier days coming. So let's look at everything that I used. So first up, I have these Spellbinders color gems, and these are the pink, and it's a double pack in here. It's when I buy more than one, I just go ahead and combine them together. And then from the stamp market, I use these really cute, they're called Color Fresh enamel dots. They had an awesome sale, and I bought like 9 packs of their enamel dots, and they are just really interesting colors. I mean, I had nothing like this in my stash, and then this kind of gray one, I really like that. So you'll see me using these more to come. And then from Lawn Fawn, this cute little clear stamp sets called Carrot About You Banner Add-on. And I've used this before in my cards because I love this Happy Spring, this Easter, the Thank You, and the Hooray. And it has a coordinating die. And what I do is I cut that part out that's supposed to be connected to the little cart or something that this goes with. And I love using this. And then there's this new paper pad that I picked up. It's Doodlebug Designs. I don't have a lot of Doodlebug things. And this is the 6x6 paper pad, buffalo check, wood grain, rainbow, petite prints. It's 24 double-sided cardstock. So let's take a look at it if you've never seen it. But it has some really pretty colors, and I love how it has the buffalo check, but then on the opposite side, it has the wood grain. And so here are the colors. Super pretty colors. Love that green. I really like all the colors. Look at that brown. How intense is that? Super pretty. And then there's a kind of a gray, and then a darker gray, and then, you know, almost, yeah, a black one. So cute little stamp, paper pad by Doodlebug Designs Incorporated. And then the stamp set that I used was from Altenew, and it's this one that I picked up, like I say, used, and it's called Adore You, and well, it's like right here. I don't know why I'm looking on over there, and it has a coordinating die set, and then you can see here where I cut out additional florals, and I just tuck them into this envelope to keep them secure. I also use some ribbon. I love using ribbon on my cards, and I had just kind of recently fallen back in love with using ribbon. I used to use it a lot, but I hardly ever use it now. And then these two here, one is, I think I purchased this from Hobby Lobby, and then this, is this Hobby Lobby? I'm not sure. I think it's Hobby Lobby. And then this one I picked up used at a craft sale. It's a Stampin' Up. It's just super sweet with that gray and then the pink scallop edge. I love this. So, and then before I show you the cards, one more thing I used was this Spellbinders Corner Rounder. This is not my favorite. I don't know. I don't have a favorite corner rounder. I seem to have issue with all of them. I don't know why, but I do. But it worked this time, but this is not my favorite. And now let's share the cards. So here's the first one. It's the pink, and this paper is from my cardstock. It's a paper that I probably picked up at Joann, I'm sure. And then here's the pink ribbon on there, and then this is a sentiment from my stash. Most likely it's waffle flour. I put a little bit of this, what do you call this? Spellbinders glazing glue. I don't know why when I use this, I never really like the results, but I keep trying. And then here's the little gems that I use to make the card look a little sparkly. That's that one. And then here's the next one. It's the green. And I decided to use the yellow florals with them, backed it up with the yellow paper. I used some twine on here. I like saying that, twine, because It brings out my country accent. And then the little accents. I like this one a lot. I use way more glaze and glue on this flower, and it's okay, but I don't know why I keep using this. I'm not very happy with it when I do. But it does make the flower pretty shiny, huh? So that's that one. And then third one, of course, this is my favorite because it's orange. And one of the things that I often do, this is just a little trick or thing to help you if you don't aren't aware, but I often use the lines in my paper design to help line up things. Like this ribbon here, I followed the edge of the buffalo check line here, and it makes stuff really easy to line up if you have paper that have lines on it. And so this one, I just have a little bit of the glaze and glue in the middle there, and those are my cards. And this is the one I use the corner rounder on. So let me know what you think below. Which one is your favorite? Do you like the orange one or the yellow with the green and then the pink with the polka dots? I like them all, but I think, well, I say the orange is my favorite because orange is my favorite color. But this pink, I'm really, really digging that sweetness of the pink. So let me know below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.